A blessing for magical gardens. As we learned in our course, living plants react to vibrational energy on every level. You can enhance the development and abundance of your living garden even if that garden is just one potted plant with focused magical energy. This spell is ideal in the spring, when the growing cycle is just getting ready. However, it can be worked any time. It can be rather practical to any indoor plants that seem to be struggling to get through the winter. You can likewise work this true blessing after planting brand new seeds or plant starts, to invite them to your garden. The amount of herbs you'll need will depend on the size of your garden. For smaller potted plants, a pinch of the herb mix will do. For larger outdoor gardens, you may want a couple of tablespoons or more. Be sure to use just the dried leaves of each herb. Don't include any seeds if you do not want to invite joiners into your garden. You will need basil, dandelion, sage, thyme. Instructions. Start by offering some caring attention to the plants you're dealing with. Prune any passing away or dead leaves and clean out dropped leaves and other sediment from the soil under and around the plants. Inspect the leaves of indoor plants for dust and gently wipe them down. Indoor plants may likewise like a light spritzing from time to time. When the plants are ready, integrate the herbs in a bowl, mixing them together carefully with your fingers. Then spray the herb mixture over the soil around the plants and state the following or comparable words. With this offering, I bestow true blessings to these living herbs, that all may grow here in this magical space. Blessed be. Complete by watering your plants lightly if need be. Don't overwater them. Spread any leftover herb mix in your backyard. Enhancing communications with plant spirits. As you develop your practice of dealing with magical herbs, you will likely observe a deepening of your intuition when it pertains to deciding which herbs are most ideal for your spell work. You might even notice that the names of specific herbs pop into your mind out of the blue, or specific spice jars may capture your eye when you're in your kitchen area. When this happens, it's typically since there's a present or upcoming need in your life that the herb can help you with. You can deepen this user-friendly interaction with plant spirits if you knowingly acknowledge and affirm these subtle pushes and open yourself to receiving more of them.